I just wanted to touch base on a few things about strategy and branding for the year coming. Now that we've come through 2023 and we've looked at our website, our budgets, hopefully you have, and have decided to say, yes, we're going to go to the next level. Work with a company or an agency that focuses primarily on design, speaking to your audience, with that in mind, social media marketing. With our brand herd assessment, we go through all of these things. We go through your SWOT, competitor analysis. We go through everything to build a solid moving forward strategy. We do this for a lot of people. A lot of companies this year have been successful with our BHBA. And our Be Her brand assessment can be done naturally in about 30 to 60 days. And we have a very informative Zoom calls with every single client that we work with. And we talk through all of their positioning, their brand, their message, and dig deep into what their competitors are doing so that they can see the analysis right there, landscape of what's going on, and that we can help them move forward. Whether you have an internal team or you need an external team to do that messaging, meaning social media marketing or web design or updating or branding logo, we can offer those services, but we really focus on that strategy for the first step with all of our clients. I think it's super important. So again, with your budget in mind, 2024 coming up quick, is it ready for your Be Her brand assessment? Are you ready to change? Does your company need a change? Do you need to talk to a specialist, an agency? Please reach out. We would love to help with you. Free consultation calls, and let's see if we can get something going together. Talk to you soon. Have a great holiday.